To add a calendar to your SharePoint site, follow these steps. Open SharePoint site. Navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to add the calendar. Go to Site Contents. Click on Site Contents from the left-hand navigation panel or Site Settings. Add a new app. Click on Plus New or Add an app to open the list of available apps and features. Select Calendar. Search for and select Calendar from the list of apps. You may need to choose Classic Calendar if you're using an older version of SharePoint or Group Calendar in newer versions. Name the calendar. Enter a name for your calendar. This name will appear on the site and in the list of available calendars. Click Create to add the calendar to your site. Configure Calendar. Once created, you'll be taken to the calendar view. You can configure it by clicking Calendar in the ribbon, then choosing List Settings to adjust columns, views, and other settings. Add events. Use the New Event button to start adding events to your calendar. You can enter event details and set times, reminders, and recurrence options.